Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Xbox Roblox account on PC. First, make sure your Xbox profile is connected to a Roblox account. This is a crucial initial step for seamless cross-platform play. Once linked, you can simply sign into the Roblox application on your computer using the exact same Roblox account details. Your game progress, Robux, and inventory are all tied to your Roblox account, not the device, ensuring a consistent experience across both platforms. To begin playing on your computer, you'll need to download the Roblox Player application. Visit the official Roblox website and locate the download link for PC. The installation process is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes to complete. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready to launch the game. It's also a good idea to quickly check that your computer meets the basic system requirements for optimal performance. Once the Roblox player is installed, open the application on your desktop. You will be prompted to sign in using your Roblox account credentials. This is the same username and password you use on your Xbox-linked Roblox account. After a successful login, you'll immediately see your personalized home screen, complete with your friends list, favorite games, and all your saved progress, ready for you to jump into any experience. The beauty of linking your accounts is the seamless cross-platform experience. You can start a game on your Xbox, save your progress, and then pick up exactly where you left off on your computer. All your purchased Robux and inventory items are also universally accessible. This means you can play with friends who are on Xbox, PC, or even mobile devices, fostering a truly connected gaming community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.